Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you delete messages in Google Chat. Alright, so you can open the Google Chat apps or just open the Gmail and select chat room. So to delete messages, you are just going to select conversation and select account and select delete conversation. Just click delete. Alright, so the message has been deleted. Alright, just super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.